Hello, little readers. Are you ready to level up your reading skills? Today, we will practice sentences that start with the word she. Let's begin. She has a car. Let's read that again. She has a car. Now it's your turn. Awesome. She has a pen. Let's read it together one more time. She has a pen. Now you give it a try. Great job. She has a doll. Let's read it again. She has a doll. Now it's your turn. Great job. She has a pet. Let's read it one more time together. She has a pet. Now it's your turn to read it. Awesome, you did it. Great job. Remember to keep practicing. I'll see you later.